Okay, you got first step, you gotta open your app store or play store and then search live home app. Then click install. Mine is installed already. I'll just click update right here. Once installed, you have to open it, then log in and sign up. So you gotta put an email address. It should be valid because you have to confirm it. Okay, after signing up, it should ask you the confirmation code, which is inside your email. Okay, just click the email and then copy the number. Then go back to your live home and paste it here. Confirm. There, success. So you should be able to log in now. Oh, I mean sign in. Okay, once you're logged in, you gotta go to the next step, which is click the plus sign on the right upper corner. Then click doorbell scan. Choose video doorbell. And then next step, you gotta turn on your device. Once on the app, click next. Then say yes if the red light is flashing. Then your phone must be connected to your Wi-Fi. Don't use 5G network because it's not gonna work on the doorbell. Use the regular Wi-Fi signal. Enter your password. Once you click yes, there's gonna be a QR code that's gonna show up on the screen of your phone. What you're gonna do is take your phone and take the doorbell and scan in your phone. Next step would be press this button for 8 seconds until it starts blinking, so you know if it's in pairing mode. Okay, just take your doorbell and the camera, hold it on the in front of the QR code, like 4 inches from it, and then it's gonna scan it.
QR code scan finished. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
There, then it's gonna say QR scan code finished and waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
The device is connecting to your Wi-Fi.
Okay, once connected, just click update on your phone, like right there, and then click to the update to the latest firmware. It will download it automatically. Once installed, this is what you will see on your device. Just click on the image. Then this is the interface. You can see record button, playback, and screenshot. You'll see the battery life and Wi-Fi connectivity. So if you wanna play back all the recorded videos, you can click